Oh, are you? I'm sorry.
Okay, Brandon and Lauren, look at me first before. I mean, hold the gun, but.
And don't point it at
It's not loaded. It's not loaded.
Okay.
Dance, stranger.
All right.
All right, that's a good one.
Yeah,
Like,
right.
well.
First lesson, you can't swing a gun at people. Now ask Mindy, does it kind of hurt when it kicks?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot of pressure
You're tough.
on your arm. Daddy's gonna help hold you, aren't you, Brandon?
Yeah.
Gonna kind of hold her.
Just
try, Lauren. It's not that bad.
Okay, so what you're going to do is close your left eye. You're going to close your left eye. You're going to look, tilt your head in, you're going to look down the barrel, put that dot on the pumpkin, and then you're going to have this finger.
You got the pink coat. We know who it is.
On that trigger, don't pull it yet.
There's the pumpkin.
Is it loaded?
What I'm going to do,
Put this around the bottom of the gun, it'll be more comfortable.
I'm going to hold this
Fuzzy hat.
finger.
Lauren, it's not
Not a
that
bad idea.
Ready?
Lauren, I did it. You're fine. You can do it, Lauren. Daddy did it for you.
Oh.
Just it's pressure. It's a little pressure. It's nothing bad.
That's
It's like getting hit with a basketball in a game.
Hey,
It's fine.
Kimmy did it when she was about
Yeah.
good. And you know what it did? Knocked her on her booty, but she shot it. Hey, that's what she was aiming at.
Hey, Brandon, you want to put this over the, you know, maybe give her a little.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Stuck it in there.
Make your daddy proud. Come on.
Well, don't pull the trigger until I tell you to. Put your finger back. You want to make sure that I'm
Have her lean into it, Brandon.
Yeah, lean forward. Put your foot forward. You want to lean forward so it doesn't knock you backwards. Okay? Okay. Where's your aim? Are you right where you want to be? Okay, reach forward and squeeze that trigger. I got you.
Hey! Hey!